Spotify has added a new AI feature that can create a playlist for you based on a prompt you provide. Want to try it out for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a prompted playlist on Spotify. Now let's get started. To use the new prompted playlist feature, first make sure your Spotify app is updated to the newest available version. Then open Spotify and tap Create in the bottom right corner. In the menu that appears, tap Prompted Playlist. Now describe the type of playlist you want the AI to make for you. You can mention specific artists you want included, the vibe or mood you're looking for, or an occasion you might be creating this playlist for. You can customize the playlist settings with the options at the bottom. Make your playlist public or private, and choose how often you want it to be updated, or set it to not update. If you aren't sure what type of playlist you want to create, tap Ideas to get some prompt inspiration. When you're done writing your prompt, tap Generate Playlist. Spotify will then create a whole playlist based on the prompt you've provided, complete with a title and cover photo. If you want to make changes, you can edit your prompt or customize the playlist name and details. That's all it takes to create playlists using Spotify's new AI prompted playlist feature. Want to try out another AI feature on Spotify? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.